Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am back with a very interesting Strive League project about shapes, debugging shapes. Don't worry, there are not real bugs in this program. They will not come out of the computer and bite you. They only want to bite your code. So there are a few bugs in this code. We have to fix them. And we say shoo bugs in the code. So let's start debugging. So the first error is in the console is for the triangle. Let's find it. Here it is. So the triangle always has 6 arguments, but it has only 3 for now. Let's see if we're correct. Yes, we are. So the 6 arguments are x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. In the triangle. So let's comment this one and uncomment the other one. Shift comment. Okay, now triangle. Now our triangle is here. Now we have circle. Circle looks fine, but it has an error. So let's find out the errors. So circle has usually 3 arguments, but it is 4. Circle always has 3 arguments in it, which are the x, y, and diameter. Diameter is how much it is from the vertical, diagonal, and horizontal. It will always be the same length in it. So it will be simple to fix it. Let's just delete this 50 and this comma, and the code is debugged. If you might have noticed this frame rate on the top, well, it is basically how fast the shapes blink. So if I change, the higher it is, the faster it blinks. So if I put 210, it will be blinking super fast. So let's keep it 2 for now. And our code is debugged fully. I even added 1 extra shape, which is square. The difference between them is that a rectangle has 2 opposite shapes, sides. So we have to put 4 arguments: x, y, width, and height. And square, it has all equal. So we have to put 3 arguments, like the circle. So they are also the same. So it will also be x, y, and size. Bye. See you in the next debugging.